Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to uncover one of the most elegant ideas in school mathematics, why the quadratic formula works. Most students memorize the formula, but very few try to find out where it comes from. But once you understand the logic behind it, the formula becomes unforgettable. We start with the general quadratic equation, no magic, no shortcuts, just simple algebra. To make it simpler, we divide out everything by a. Now the equation looks cleaner. Next, we isolate the terms involving x on the left hand side and transfer the constant term on the right hand side. And this is where we will use our imagination to convert left side of this equation into a perfect square. For the purpose, we take the coefficient of x, that is b over a, make it half, that is b over 2a, and now square it, that is b over 2a whole square, and add this number to both sides of the equation to maintain its balance. And now notice the left side converts beautifully into a perfect square, x plus b over 2a whole square. We multiplied second term minus c over a by 4a by 4a to make denominators of both terms equal to enable us to combine them. And the right side becomes b square minus 4ac over 4a square. Now it only remains to take square roots of both sides, and we get x plus b over 2a is equal to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And finally, transfer the term b over 2a to the right side, and you get that famous quadratic formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, and this whole divided by 2a. You now understand the formula, not just use it. It's no longer magic, it's fully derived. This derivation beautifully shows that every quadratic equation is hiding a perfect square inside it. The discriminant b square minus 4ac appears naturally. Why b square minus 4ac decides everything? Because in the quadratic formula, b square minus 4ac is inside the square root. It is a decider of the nature of roots. So we call it discriminant. The discriminant is literally the heart of the quadratic formula. So if the discriminant is positive, you get two real roots, and if it is 0, both values collapse into 1, and if it is negative, a square root becomes imaginary and you get no real roots. You get two complex roots involving imaginary numbers. And about completing the square, this technique becomes your best friend forever in calculus, physics, optimization, everywhere. Math becomes beautiful when formulas stop being magic and start making sense. See you in the next video. If you like the presentation, please like the video and subscribe the channel. All the best. Have a great day.